Morning. It's day 3. It's cloudy out, which we did not anticipate.
With
so
a
we're
chance
up our
of
schedule a bit.
meatballs. Oh.
Don't talk over me. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Good morning.
Did you know he has a welder, bro? Don't talk to him like that.
Jesus,
yeah.
fucking dick.
I actually need him, so.
Take it back. Take it. Okay.
Second to close.
Crispo.
Yeah. We're gonna go get detail shots of all the cars.
Shut up. Don't talk over him.
We're gonna go get detail shots. Thank you. Of all the cars, bitch. Of all the cars inside. There's a lot of cars to go document. We're gonna focus on some detail shots of all. You zoomed in, I could tell. We're gonna focus on some detail shots of all of them briefly, and then spend some time of getting some nice shots of John, who owns the standard speed shop, working, grinding, or faux working, grinding, welding, some stuff that's gonna look cool and actiony. And then hopefully get back out on the road to get some finishing rollers and burnouts and sliding. So we're gonna get moving, so we have some time for that.
What are we doing, Chris?
Start our interior shots. We'll start with the master wide, then we're gonna break up part. Me and Ann are gonna do solos and detail shots. But first I have to kick out the owner.
Get the fuck. Hey, Aunt, is there an art to doing lockdown still?
Absolutely.
What is it?
Composition.
That was a shitty secret. Good.
A little more. Pull down. Yep.
So we've been getting some cool shots here of John working on all his machinery, just getting some examples, throwing some sparks, doing some welding of some basic stuff. We still got our hazer, our fog filling in, getting a little bit of cool fog sitting in here pretty nice. Ant's gonna use his rhino slider and get like a close of welding, and then we're gonna move on to working on cards. We're hitting stuff hard.
Hitting it out of the park.
Got some cool haze going in here.
House.
Fog machine in.
House.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, and action. Come on up.
Just a wee little turbo. Oh, not totally stock Supra. Okay.
And fully stocked turbo. Super, you said?
Yeah, it is. The only thing aftermarket is that carbon fiber valve cover.
Grisby.
We have a lot of cool neon signs in here, so we're going to do this where we turn them all on at once. They all go on with one switch.
2 switches.
2 switches.
But we're gonna
switches, left and right. But we're gonna get a cool shot.
hydration check.
Cool shot of that. Always, don't forget.
2022. Drinking water.
2021.
By the time this comes
Wait till
out.
next year to drink.
2017.
Oh my god. We're gonna turn lights on.
Alright, I'm good. Rolling.
First lights. Second lights.
I'm gonna roll for the shut off because they kind of like fade out.
And shut them all off.
Whoa.
Cool. You're good. You can come back on. People, Cody, tell them what's going on.
They're doing their own thing. They're putting water down.
Yeah. We brought the water with us. Cody, what do happen? Why we wait here? Why car open hood with stick?
Made too much boost and went spool, and then went and now we're shitting.
Car got hot. Doing a burnout.
There was a
That's what he
flame.
meant to say. There were some flames. Oh, unintentional flames.
Well, stop.
Fire. Underneath. So it was a little scary. We got a really cool burnout of this beige truck in front of us that has kind of been our hero opener car and all type of stuff during this video. We're just waiting for it to cool down now because it did get a little hot shot, a little flame. Lots of smoke. Big old burnout. We lost the car in the smoke because there was so much. But we did get a really cool shot. And we got the tracking shot we wanted. We're going to spend the rest of the day doing a few more rollers, some specialty stuff.
The swirly whirly boy, the spooly boy. Yeah.
We're going to hopefully slide another one of his trucks, do a burnout of the Viper, hopefully, and some other fun stuff for the end of today before we head out. But yeah, all the stuff we did in the shop turns out really well. And now Anthony's being a traffic guide for cars.
Yes, go ahead. Just a nice cruise.
So the Dodge Viper has a cool animation on the dash when you get into a higher RPM, the Super Snake or whatever Anthony was saying. So Anthony's gonna get some clips of that here, just in neutral, chilling. We're gonna hear what that sounds like as well. Cool, so it's currently 8:27 p.m. Sunday, the second day here. We've finished filming, we finished audio. We got audio of all the cars that we filmed, pretty much other than ones we already have. For example, 2JZ stuff. Yeah, a lot of cool fun stuff at the Standard Speed Shop here. The video will be out, this promotion of Standard Speed Shop that you guys saw us film this week will already be out. Well, it'll be out at some point. Whenever this is out, it's already out, so you guys go check it out. Out here in outside of Pittsburgh, PA, Standard Speed Shop. There's some really cool stuff, some really cool what are those, like Restomod trucks, would you guys consider? Patina trucks. Yeah, Patina Restomod trucks, and also some other cool fun stuff that you guys saw as well. But he really enjoys doing the Patina Restomod. If you guys are interested, come check him out. Yeah, thank you to John and Craig for helping us out shoot all weekend. Cody and Anthony, obviously, for killing it. This will be a cool video. We got like 8 rollers. We got feature stuff. We got cool working stuff. It's gonna be really cool. And we also got some POV stuff for like the GoPro audio run type things, or for the POV audio run type things. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed these BTS vlogs. I know they're kind of all over the place, but it's kind of hard to do both at the same time. We'll catch you in the next one, guys.